Hello everyone and welcome back to Can & Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the grinder, the one that you see right here. We clean everything around it, make sure that the newer grinder was sitting there perfectly. We already calibrated it, so let's do a shot of espresso. As you can hear, the grinder is grinding beans. Good water flow coming out of the machine, good color as well. 2 ounces of water, which is what we selected over here. Now we're gonna test out the hot water and then the steam. Hot water, as you can see, working very well. Good water flow, good temperature. Starting to burn my finger. Perfect. And now we're gonna test the steam. It's gonna take a bit for the machine to get some pressure, but then we're gonna see some steam coming out from the steam one itself. Pressure starts to build up in there. And as you can see, now it's at full pressure, working perfectly fine. Excellent temperature, working well. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica grinding once again. So thank you so much for repairing Can & Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.